Welcome to another video from Global Academy Hub, Academic Excellence, Global Impact. Let's simplify some algebraic expressions. Let's start by getting rid of the brackets. So we have 9x plus 2 plus 3x minus 7. Next, we're going to put the like terms together. So here I have x variables. So I have 9x plus 3x, and now I have two constants. So I have plus 2 minus 7, and that will give me 12x minus 5. Let's try another one. Again, I'll remove the brackets, so I have minus 2p. And in the other bracket, I have 4 multiplied by p. So I'm just going to put that here one time. So I'm grouping the like variables together. Then plus 3, then plus 4 times a minus 2. That's a minus 8. Minus 2p plus 4p is 2p minus 5. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Here I have y over 2 minus y plus 1 over 3. And so the least common multiple being 6 gives me the denominator. So 2 into 6 is 3. So that becomes 3 times y. Minus 3 into 6 is 2. That becomes 2 times y plus 1. Let's remove those brackets. So I have 3y minus 2y. Minus 2 times a positive 1 is minus 2. All divided by 6. 3y minus 2y is y. We have minus 2 over 6. And that's my answer. Here I have x plus 1 and x minus 2 in the denominator. The product of those two will be the lowest common multiple. I'm going to use that as a common denominator so I can add these. So I have x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 as the denominator. So x plus 1 into x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 is x minus 2 multiplied by 1 is x minus 2. Plus, and then x minus 2 into the denominator will give me x plus 1 multiplied by 5 then is 5 x plus 1. Let's now remove the brackets. So I have x minus 2 plus 5 times x is 5x plus 5 times 1 is 5. And again, our denominator is x plus 1, x minus 2. Let's simplify our numerator by first combining our like terms. So x plus 5x is 6x, and minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3. Divided by x plus 1, x minus 2. And finally, I can see here in the numerator, I can factor the 3. So I have 3, 2x plus 1, divided by x plus 1, multiplied by x minus 2. And now here I can see my least common multiple is 10. So that's going to be my denominator. 2 into 10 is 5. So this becomes 5 multiplied by 2p plus 1 plus 5 into 10 is 2. So 2 multiplied by 3p minus 2. So 3p minus 2. And they're in brackets. So I have to remove the bracket. So 5 times 2p is 10p. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 3p is 6p. And 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. My denominator is still 10. 10p plus 6p is 16p. Plus 5 minus 4 is 1. Divided by 10. And there we go. That's the solution.